Holy moly, guys. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Jose, and I'm bringing you guys another daily update video. As you see, right now, I was down huge yet again. I think it's the worst day in the stock market again. When the first week came up, I think it was around 1200 being the worst point drop in the Dow history. We beat that in the first week. Then the second week, 2000, and today 3000. So this is just getting insane, guys. Insane. Let's actually look at the Dow. If you look at the Dow right now, it's at 20. It's almost going to break 20,000 points. As you see, the 52-week low, 20,116, it was reached today. And the 52-week high is 29,568. So it's like a 30% drop, basically, almost 30% or around there. I'm not even sure. 30%, and it's been a month, I believe. A month. 1 month since this has been going on. In 1 month, the Dow dropped almost 30%. That's freaking insane, guys. Insane. But let's actually just go over my portfolio real quick. See what I've been doing. As you see, we're at $9,484.56. Down 17.25%, $1,923.22 today. After hours, I'm up 2.92%, which is $268.99. Past week, I'm down 53% in the past week, which is $10,839.26. Past month, down 70%, which is $22,863.35. Past 3 months, I'm down 37.63%, which is $5,728. And in the past year, I'm up 0.28%, which is $26.05. It's crazy, and I've done a lot of buying. That's actually, I've written down everything that I've bought, but let's just go over some of these ones. Square stock, the first one, down 28.56% today. After hours, up 6.03%. Past week, down 35.95%. Past month, down 46.43%. Past 3 months, down 34.23%. And the past year, it's down 42.88%. I have 13 shares. My average cost is at $67.11. I am down right here, total 34.79%, which is $303.54. And let's actually look if I did buy some. I did buy a Square stock. One, I don't know how many shares I bought. Let's actually check. I bought. Here you can see I bought 2 shares at $47.82 for a total of $95.63. 47. Even after I bought it, still went out $4. So that's pretty crazy. The next one is Facebook. Facebook is at $149, down 14.25%, which is 24.27 down today. After hours, up 2.05. Past week's down 14.82. Past month down 30.23. Past 3 months down 25.07. And the past year is down 8.91%. And as you see, I have 8 shares, average cost of $182. I'm down 18.25%, which is down $266.04. I did buy Facebook today. As you see, I bought 1 share of Facebook at $155.26. And it's down $6 right after I bought it, so it's down a lot. And the next one we have here is Nvidia. Nvidia at $206.30, down 18.45%, up 5.04% after hours. In the past week, it is down 19.51%, and in the past month, down 27.78%. Past 3 months, down 8.68%, and in the past year, it is up 20.59%. As you see, I have a little dividend payment coming up of $3.04. I have 8 shares, average cost of $193.60. So I'm still up in the green, barely on this one. Up 6.56%, $101.58. I did not buy anything yet for Nvidia unless it starts going below my average cost. I'll probably buy some after that, but I don't plan on buying any Nvidia yet. Next one we have here is Tesla, down 18.58%, but it is up 1.98% after hours in the past week. Down 31.23% past month, down 46.07%. Past 3 months, up 19.77%, and in the past year, it is up 64.46%. I have 17 shares. Average cost at $292. I am up 55.25%, which is $2,746.04. I did believe I did buy one. Let's see. I did buy one at $472.37, but it even continued to go down after that. I want Tesla to go down to 300 so I can buy a ton of more shares. Because if it does bounce back, it'll go back to almost 1,000 where it's been, and then I'll get a lot of money. So I would love to get like 10 shares, 10 to 20 shares of Tesla at that low price of 300s. That would be beautiful. I would love that so much. Next one we have here is Uber. Uber is at $21, down 10.22% today, up 3.5% after hours in the past week, down 28.84% past month, down 46.82% past 3 months, down 30.85%, and in the past year is down 53.33%. Did I buy any Uber? Did I buy any Uber? I actually did not buy any Uber. What? Really? Let's actually check. Wait. I know for a fact that maybe I did. 16th. Yes, I did buy Uber. I did. I did buy some Uber. I bought 2 shares at $20.80, and right now it's at $21. So that was up. As soon as I bought it, went up a little bit. It's pretty good. Next one we have here, Roku down 21.14% today, and after hours down even more, 6.27%. Past week down 40.79%. Past month down 54.55%. Past 3 months down 56.16%. And the past year it is down 5.35%. I have 17 shares, average cost of $122.03. I have down 50.96%, which is $1,057.20. I did buy a Roku share at, I bought 1 share at $73.57, which is crazy because even today, $73.57 on right here. After that, it went down even 10% more. So if it continues to drop more, I'll probably buy another 1 or 2. But I don't want to get Roku so much of my equity. It's still 5%. I don't want to get them more past than 10%. IPR, I didn't buy any cannabis stocks, but I'll just go over it with you. Down 20.47% at $56.89. Down 34.23% in the past week, down 43.11% in the past month, down 23.13% in the past 3 months, and the past year it is down 29.29%. I have 20 shares, average cost at $103.68. I'm down 45.13% which is $935.76. I haven't bought anything of IPR. Aurora Cannabis at 69 cents, down 10.12% today, and 0.3% after hours. Past week down 33.01%. Past month down 55.77%. Past 3 months down 72.29%, and the past year down 92.94%. Holy! Average cost is $1.88. This is crazy. I have 4,546 shares. I am down 63.29%, which is $5,407.01. I don't know if Aurora Cannabis is gonna make it, man. I'm down so much on this one. This is crazy. But let's say if Aurora Cannabis does eventually get back in place, then the potential that this has, even if it 20 times, it doesn't even get to its all-time high yet. If it 20 times from what it is right now, which is crazy. We're gonna have to see what happens. Next one, CGC at 1017, down 6.03% today. After hours down 1.07%. Past week down 27.41%. Past month down 54.52%. Past 3 months down 49.9%. Past year down 77.83%. Have 121 shares, 23.11 is my average cost. I am down 55.99%, which is $1,565.67. Happy growth. And then I'll actually look at some of the new ones that I bought. I bought a new position at AMD, saw that it was low, and I wanted to get into it, so I got. So today, let's actually see, it is down 11.82%, but up after hours, up 4.73%. Past week, down 10.7%. Past month, down 26.21%. Down the past 3 months, down 4.63%. And the past year, it's up 73.99%. 3 shares, my average cost is at 41 with a penny, and I'm down 1.15%, which is just $1.41. Next one, Apple. Apple's at 249.81, down 12.86% today. After hours, down up 3.14%. Past week down 9.91%. Past month down 20.79%. Past 3 months down 10.64%. Past year up 34.45%. I have 2 shares at average cost 249.03, and I'm up 0.31%, which is just $1.56. Next one, Shopify. I just bought 1 share of Shopify. Today it is down 17.55%. After hours, it's up 4.25%. Past week, down 24.49%. Past month, down 37.08%. Past 3 months, down 14.5%. And in the past year, it is up 64.3. I see I bought 1 share. I'm up 0.27%, which is just 91 cents. Next one, Microsoft. It's down 14.74% today, and after hours, it's up 3.01. Past week, down 11.78. Past month, down 24.84. Past 3 months, down 10.26%. Past year, up 20.08%. I do have 3 shares, average cost of 137.56. I'm up 1.41%, which is just $5.83. And last one is Planet Fitness, 38.50 right now, down 28.12%. After hours, it is down 0.77%. Past week, down 34.71%. Past month, down 55.49%. Past 3 months, down 47.93%. And in the past year, it is down 43%. I have 5 shares at 54.48. I am down 29.33%, which is just 79.91. And I did close out of my option trades. I did buy 2 put options on right here, the SPY, SPDR, S&P 500 ETF. Let's see if I can see history. As you see, I did buy 1 SPY put at 238 put. Expires on March 18th at 453. And I sold it at 604. So that's a good around $150, $151 right there. I bought another one at a SPY put, 250 put for that expires in 323 on March 23rd at 1521, and I sold it at 1724. I could have held it for it to drop more, but I don't want to get greedy. I wanted just to get a few $100s in profit. As you see, from 1724, that's about $203, and then the 150, so that's like almost about $354 right there in profit, which is good. If the market goes up tomorrow, I'll probably buy another put option, a small one, just to get some more cash in to buy more shares. I do have $4,558 in buying power right now. I get paid tomorrow, but most likely I won't be able to use any of that money for the markets. I have bills to pay. But the one after that, I'll probably be able to put some money in. So by the end of March, the last day of March is when I get paid. I get paid every other Tuesday, every 2 weeks, which sucks. I'd rather get paid every week, but that's not how it works. That's just the update right there for you guys. My account's been getting wrecked, but I am getting good deals right now. I will be buying more and more. Hopefully that the markets slowly start to hit its bottoms now and slowly recover instead. But like I said, I don't know, with the volatility, we don't know, like the markets can go straight down all the way to 15,000 the Dow, and then it just goes back up in the next 2 months, straight up, just like that. And if that happens, then if you didn't buy anything, then you missed the boat really fast, because this is one of the best opportunities ever. The Dow is down 30%. If we look at the markets, the Dow is down 30%. Look at this. Look at these charts. Oh my God. The past 5 years, if it ever hits 15,000 down here, that would be crazy. If it ever hits that low, that would be insane. Look at that line. That's just crazy. Man, it's insane what's been going on. But luckily for me, I haven't really been worrying that much. I've just been watching the market. It's just fascinating to me what's been going on. But hopefully you guys are doing good. Hopefully you guys have a strategy and you're executing and it's going to plan. Other than that, at the end of the video, please drop a like, subscribe, turn on post notification. I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next update video. Peace.